step in making the farm our own. Isn't that right, honey? This should be interesting. Careful, guys. Wow, that's cool. Looks good over here. Well, that's a valuable machine, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, come on. I don't know, Greg.
Putting it in, I think.
It was the wrong button.
Just keep on it.
Like, I'm clear of the house up there, right here. Where people want to creep on me.
Look at this, people.
Well, that's it.
Stay heavy.
Set it down. All the way.
That made a difference.
Real?
Yeah, right now I'm at the edge here. How do you want it centered on this, sir?
Needs to be moved over a little
This
bit.
way?
Yeah, keep it to this side.
A
Okay.
little bit more.
We don't usually
I guess
use
that's
that.
to your right.
What there?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm hitting the siding, I think, here.
No,
Yeah,
that's okay. I think that's as close as it's going to get.
okay. So you're going to your side, Greg? What? You're against your side?
Yeah,
Yes,
looks the
it is.
same.
Don't get too much against it.
I think maybe they should come back to
Hold it.
stay outside of the hold it down or come back to the tree. It's
Well, you can't come back any further. You can't come back.
no, I mean this way.
Oh,
You go right to the middle of the brick mold.
Don't you want it this way?
yeah. Try to move it just a little bit to your left, right? That's their left. Is that what you mean, Kelvin? So you want him to go right up to the trim? Or do
Put it in the brick mold.
Yeah. Make it a little more centered. I didn't think about those railings being there. Kind of,
Yeah, they have to set inside.
yeah.
okay.
Sorry.
So stand back and make sure do your little L thing.
What there?
Yeah, that's good. Let's do that.
Good.
Doesn't rock or anything.
So.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you. Might as well put it back on the right way.
I'll go that way.
I think we gotta level it too. We gotta level it.
Normally you just set it on how your pad is. We can raise it. If,
I thought you said you were gonna level it.
Oh, we can.
And then I'd fill in the top.
okay. Oh, if you want to, yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, I'd like to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
You want me to do you have a level in here?
They got a level probably. I can go get one.
No, I got one right here. one right there.
That already level, so the house isn't level.
Yep, they're level.
Okay, shocking.
Little, see if you stand back where the threshold is. It's a lot
You can
more-
tell
Well,
that
if
it,
you look at the house, there's either siding slopes.
so you want us to go ahead and raise it?
Yeah, go ahead and make it match the siding.
How much is that gonna be?
I'll fill in with some concrete later.
Take two. Yeah, the texture is great. Yeah, we elected not to get the handrails. We'll have to get handrails that go right into the patio itself. Looks much better this way. Much better.
Well, if we order our own handrails, we can order white ones then.
Ah,
White
yeah.
foundation.
That's a good idea. Genius. All right, folks. Much better. We'll fill up this ugly with. Thank you, gentlemen.